He was bullied so badly, he ended up in the hospital. Years later, he became the richest man in the world. His name is Elon Musk. Growing up in South Africa, he loved reading books and teaching himself about computers. But because he was different, he was often bullied at school. At just 12 years old, Elon taught himself programming and created a video game called Blastar, which he sold for about $500. It was his first taste of entrepreneurship. After moving to North America, he co-founded several companies. Instead of spending his fortune, he invested much of it into ambitious ideas that many people thought would fail. There were years when both Tesla and SpaceX struggled financially. Rocket launches failed, and Tesla faced major challenges, but Elon refused to give up. Today, Tesla changed the electric car industry, and SpaceX became a leader in private spaceflight. Elon Musk's journey shows that believing in a bold vision and persevering through failure can change the world.